There are some cases for each type of validity provided that illustrates how it is conducted. First is content validity. A coordinator in science is checking the science test paper for grade 4 science teacher to submit the table of specifications containing the objectives of the lesson and their corresponding items. The coordinator checks whether each item is aligned with the objectives. So when we say content validity, it is the degree to which all items in an instrument represent all of the facets of the variable being measured. There are two ways that are widely used to assess the content validity of a measure. First, the content validity can be assessed by asking a number of questions about the instrument or test. Second, the content validity can be assessed by asking for the experts or judges of the field. So in the given case of content validity, it uses the second way, which is the content validity can be assessed by asking for the expert or judges of the field. From the word itself, content, mao siya ang sulod. Gina-check ang items if it is aligned with the objectives using the specification containing the objectives of the lesson and their corresponding item. Because the items need to measure directly the objectives. There are some questions given in each cases. The first question is, how are the objectives used when creating test items? From the given case of content validity, ang objectives mao ang ginabasihan sa paghimo sa test items because ang test items ug ang objectives is dapat aligned siya with each other because the test items need to measure directly the objectives. The next question is, how is content validity determined when given the objectives and the test items in a test? A test has content validity if it measures knowledge of the content domain of which it was designed to measure knowledge. Another way of saying this is that content validity concerns primarily the adequacy with which the test items adequately and representatively sample the content area to be measured. The next question is, what should be present in a test table of a specification when determining content validity? In determining the content validity, the table of specification should contain the objectives of the lesson and the corresponding items. And the last question is, who checks the content validity of items? The one who checks the content validity of items are the coordinator of that particular subject or the experts of that particular field.